I'm going to be installing these fenders on my dump truck with 19.5 wheels. These are 16.5 fenders. I measured the distance between the axle and the bump stop, and it's 5 inches, so I'm going 7 inches above the tires, so I will have some play. Setting those right there like that. And to avoid the ridiculous cost of the mounting hardware, I'm going to be welding these onto the subframe of the dump truck. I took my rough measurement, I put a scratch in here, and now next step is to clean off the frame. I'll tell you before I weld. Nice strong weld. Hit it again real quick. Woo, babe. Nice strong welds. And then all I was doing was drilling these fenders right here in the middle, because there's going to be a bolt on the inside with the flat head on the inside. In case it does rub, it'll only rub on the bolt. So here's some 1/4 bolts with some body washers. I'm going to put them in through the bottom, so if they do rub, it's going to rub on the head. I feel a little bit better about the threads being up. So I'm going to push these through the bottom. Grab a washer and a lock nut.
I'm gonna tighten them up.
Pretty happy with that. Just gotta make sure it doesn't rub when we're fully loaded.